Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making chocolate chip cookies. In a mixer, add 2 cups of brown sugar and 2 cups of white sugar. Add 2 cups of melted butter. Mix until evenly combined and light in color. Add 4 large eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix until it's smooth. Add 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. After it forms a smooth dough, add 4 cups of chocolate chips. Fold in the chocolate chips until evenly combined. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop 6 balls of dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Preheat for 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Here are the final results. Thank you so much for watching this video.